Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix Play Store not working or Play Store giving you an error. Then you just need to press and hold the icon of Play Store. You can go to your slide and then see if you find the Play Store in your phone. Once you have find it, you just need to press and hold like this and you will get this option, Play Store My App Select. So it can be done on Samsung phone or any other phone you have. So I'll click on this I which says app info, and then we need to scroll down and click on this storage, and then we need to click on clear cache and then clear data. Now do not worry about it, you will still be logged in, so it will only delete the settings and you won't have any issues as far as the login is concerned. Once it is done, come back and then click on this three dots and click on uninstall updates, and then just restart your phone and your Android, this Play Store, if it's not working, this will be fixed. And do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if this tutorial is helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.